ante and play for $5 a hand. Guys, if we want to win big, we've got to up the ante. What does it mean to up the ante? Do you know? Well, to up the ante suggests a rise in the level, intensity, or risk of something. In the gambling world, in poker, when we up the ante, we're going to play for more money. The higher the risk, the bigger the reward. In other situations, we're going to do something that's a little bit more daring and risky so that we can reap a greater reward. It's a similar idea. Wow, it looks like you're on a streak. Dude, I think you should quit. You seem to be on a losing streak. Now, a streak is a gambling term. When you are at a casino playing poker or blackjack or any of those other games, when you're on a streak, it means you are taking part in a chain of events, let's say. A group of events that happen one after the other. A streak can be either positive or negative. So you could either be on a winning streak, which means you're just making a lot of money. You're winning, you're earning a lot of money. Or you could be on a losing streak, which means you're losing a lot of money. Now, we can take this out of the gambling, out of the casino, and we can apply it to sports. When a team just continues to win game after game after game, we'll say they've been on a winning streak for 6 weeks. Or if they've been losing game after game after game, we'll say they've been on a losing streak for 6 weeks. And so that's what it means to be on a streak. Let's raise the stakes, fellas. Why don't we raise the stakes and put our house up as collateral? So when we talk about raising the stakes, we're talking about doing something that requires more risk. And so you'll hear this often in a gambling setting at a casino. Do you want to raise the stakes? Or let's raise the stakes. Let's bet more money. Let's do something that will put me at a greater risk, but can result in me having a higher reward. And so this is not just applicable in the gambling setting. This can be used in the business context and everyday life. So I'm gonna raise the stakes and I'm just gonna put all my money on this one investment on this company because I believe that this tech company is gonna do well in the future. And so if you are in the business world, you may have heard of risk reward. That's what we're talking about. The greater the risk, the more you raise the stakes, the greater the reward.